Hello, everyone, and welcome to Essential Oils for Stress and Anxiety. I'm Cynthia Miller, and tonight we're going to talk about essential oil blends that are so yummy for looking after the symptoms of, just sort of feeling antsy, that, pit into your stomach, heart palpitations, sweaty, that sort of thing. Those are the symptoms of stress and anxiety. And, it really pays attention. It's really important to pay attention to what's going on with your body and being able to use these oils to help you. And this is why I bring this to you, to help you create an awareness to look after your health concerns, because I think that we need to do that ourselves. It's really, really important to know our bodies and know what we need. If you're not familiar with doTERRA essential oils, these are top of the line products, and they really do give you natural alternative solutions that work. And my key here is to give you education so that you can help make good choices regarding your health. Okay, so this is what I'd like to share. I'd like to share why doTERRA. I've got a whole, sort of a combination of different things that help us, to just sort of keep coming back to why this company is so great. I'm going to talk about the Aromatouch technique and the Symphony of the cells. These are both really lovely processes or protocols or procedures, if you want to call them, of using essential oils, layering on of different ones that help you to relax and let go of stress. I'm going to talk about the blends, balance, the blend of past tense, and the blends of serenity and peace, and touch on copaiba, and the wellness kit, the mind and mood and mind kit, as well as talk a little bit about the LRP. That's the point system. It's really the best way to get your oils. So first of all, why doTERRA? What is the big deal with doTERRA? Well, doTERRA has the mindset that they are going to disrupt healthcare and change the way that we look at our health issues. This is the health and wellness industry, so it is probably one of the largest, sort of platforms in the world where people are constantly looking for something that works for them. It's so individual. Now, doTERRA has created certified pure therapeutic grade. It's a level of quality that they strive to and hit all the time. If their oils do not meet a certain quality, they do not put those on the market for sale. But they have so many stringent quality, properties that they go through, that they go through the tests. They work with the indigenous farmers, and that's what the co-impact sourcing is the generations of knowledge. And so that's really the first key in creating a quality product, is to start with a really good quality raw product. And I think that that's really what they do. The Helping Hands Foundation really is about the charity that they give back to the world, helping villages to bring in water, to bring in schools. They've built so many things for so many people in need around the world. And, these are really alternative natural health solutions that really work. Now, this company has an awesome points plan. Like I said, it's really the only way to purchase oils. You get a certain amount of points back when you purchase, and then you put those points towards something else. So it's really, it's a common system, but it's really well executed, and really makes it worthwhile. And of course, I receive a residual income from the work that I do, and I know that that's ongoing through the years of helping customers find these things that are good for them. A really good resource for you is sourcetoyou.com. Now, the first blend that I wanted to talk about is called Aromatouch, and this really is doTERRA's original massage blend. And this one really helps to get into the muscles. I love the smell of this. It really wakes you up. It has the ability to have a cooling effect as well as a warming effect on the muscles, and that is why it's so effective. You rub that on your shoulders, get someone to put that on your back, rub it into your muscles in your legs, and you're going to feel that oil going to work. Like I said, the warming and the cooling. So this is cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit, and lavender essential oils, and it's been sort of described as clean, fresh, minty, and powdery. So that's sort of an interesting description. Now, this is the Aromatouch technique, and it really touches on the meridian lines in the body. If you're not familiar with that, there are energy lines that go through our body, and so it's where the energy flows. And sometimes they get blocked, sometimes from sore muscles, they might get pinched. And it really is therapeutic to have someone give you a massage, focus on these lines. It's just a light, soft touch to put the oils on, because these meridian lines are basically just under the surface of the skin. They're really crucial, I think, to helping you feel more relaxed, but more healing. The Aromatouch technique is a layering on of 4 sets of 2 oils. So they start with the lavender and the balance. And this really is for stress management, to help you really get grounded. And the lavender is so soothing to the skin. The next one is the immune support. And so the On Guard blend along with the tea tree is applied together. And that really helps to put the oils into your body that look after virus and bacteria, and go deep into the muscles and the inflammatory response. Essential oils that they use are the Deep Blue blend. Again, that's the one that really is helpful for discomfort, muscle aches, and that sort of thing. And they put that along with the oregano, I believe it is. And then they finish up with wild orange and peppermint. It's sort of like this finish to a lovely meal, where it's sort of like dessert, the wild orange and the peppermint together. So it's a really lovely combination. As you can see, it involves the shoulders, the back, the head, and just the layering on and working those energy lines. Symphony of the cells is one of the procedures that I love as well, and this one really is this addresses the the systems in the body. So circular system, digestive system. It also works on the energy. If you have too much energy or not enough energy, there's different protocols that you go through, and there's anywhere from 10 to 12 essential oils that are applied on your back, your face down on the massage table, and it's really blended into your back. Now, what I do is also read the emotional aspects to the oils that we're applying, because that is really the whole connection of mind body with the physical ailments that you might choose from the book, along with the emotional aspects that come with that, and the essence of the oil. So it's really a lovely, wholesome healing. Now, balance has been a favorite of mine. I keep this on my desk. It's the grounding blend. It smells like the forest. It's got spruce and hoe wood. It's got the frankincense, blue tansy flower, blue chamomile. It's got a base of fractionated coconut oil. So it's already, sort of ready for children or sensitive skin. It's not like a full-on, roll in the cedar trees. It's got, sort of that balance that is not too strong, but really is a very lovely grounding feel. The past tense essential oils, the tension blend, and this was introduced to me shortly after I started using these oils, and I found that I used this mostly when I drove in the car, because that seemed to be where the tension would build up in my shoulders. So past tense is a blend of wintergreen, very powerful essential oil from Nepal. Lavender, it's got peppermint, the frankincense, cilantro, marjoram, Roman chamomile, basil, and rosemary. So those oils in that blend are just so, the properties help to relax the muscles and really get into to relieve any tension that you're feeling in your shoulders. Perfect spot for it is in the shoulders. Now, copaiba essential oil was introduced over a couple years ago, and this one targets the endocannabinoid system. And the endocannabinoid system is within our nervous system. Okay, so it targets receptors that also the CBD oil target. But copaiba targets these receptors directly. Okay, so this is also in a capsule form as well as the oil. It is one particular oil. It is cut from a tree and distilled down to an oil out of the Amazon, I believe. Sorry, I was just thinking there for a moment. And like I said, it really targets the endocannabinoid system within the nervous system. I take about 3 or 4 drops of this at night before I go to sleep. Within minutes, I feel myself relaxing. So it's really something that affects me. Sometimes these affect some people a different way. So you just sort of have to find what works for you. Okay. Now, Serenity is another blend that I love. If you put this in your diffuser, or maybe you can do like I do and mix it with a little bit of cedar wood. That's my favorite, to put the Serenity with the cedar wood, and just put this on my arm so I can smell it at night. It helps me to fall asleep, and is such a pleasant aroma when I'm doing so. Lavender, sweet marjoram, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, Hawaiian sandalwood, and it's in the vanilla bean absolute in there as well. So really warm and sweet, really sort of almost, yeah, like you're in a lovely flower, really lovely calming blend. But I think it's more the restful blend now. I think they changed that to call that the restful blend. Now this peace blend, I wanted to include this because I found that this has helped a lot of people to feel more settled. I gave this to a sample to a woman that her son was not very happy about the arrival of his new baby sister. And he was just, I think it was just going to take him a while to get used to it. And I'm sure that everything, will be fine, but he just had a hard time moving from being the only child in the center of the attention to, a baby that needs so much help. And she told me that it really helped him to settle down. And I think that that's what this one does for people, is help them to become more accepting of what is going on in their world. And so just sort of find that peace with whatever's happening. So a really lovely blend. This comes in a 5 ml or a roller as well, or part of the emotions kit. And I thought it was a good idea to include the wellness program kits. Now, this is a new program that Doterra just came out last month. And you can set up your account to receive these kits that come in. And so there's an immune kit, and there's a relief kit for pain and discomfort. And this one is the Mind and Mood kit in the US, and the Calm collection in the Canadian cart. So this has got the adaptive blend, the capsules, the roll-on, the oil. It's got Serenity Mist. In the Canadian cart, you've got the little Balance mini deodorant as a sample. You've got lavender roller, you've got Balance and cedarwood, all those ones that I was talking about. So really nice to be able to have these blends that their prime target is to help you relax, help you to release the stress, and help you to no longer feel those symptoms of anxiety. So just wanted to touch on the loyalty rewards program here. As I mentioned, this is the best way to get into purchasing oils. When you start with doTERRA, you automatically get 10% back with your second order. You have an enrollment order, and then you have the next month's order, which you get 10% back. And as you order through the months, up to the 13th, 14th month, then you start to get 30% back. So that's like $30 on a $100 order, which is quite significant. And then those points that you save and have been accumulating can be used to purchase oils. So this is how I purchase really expensive oils, is through my points. And they add up quite quickly because I'm ordering the oils, I'm using the oils, I'm in the business, and it's it works quite well to be able to get these oils for almost nothing. So that's pretty much it. My promise to you is to help you to understand how the oils work, to put out these educational seminars and presentations to help you see that there are natural solutions for your health challenge. And I just want to say thank you for joining me. Here is my contact information if you need to send me a question or you'd like to know more, I'd love to help you. So thanks a lot for joining me, and please, stay in touch if there's something there that you'd like to know about. Appreciate hearing from you. Okay, thanks. Have a good night.